Hello students, how are you all? Hope you're all fine. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the revised reduced syllabus of 2020 and 21. So as you already have understood that what is the pattern of the geography, two parts are there. First part will be of map work that consists of topographical map and map of India, and second part is consist of is theoretical portion, that is geography of India. So let's see which of the syllabus has been reduced. The syllabus is remaining same as it is, but there are few lessons which have been reduced from inside the portions. Inside the lessons, some subtopics, some portions are being reduced. So first one that we can see is part 1, that is map work. Map work, when we see the first one, that is interpretation of topographical maps. The location features like with the help of 6-figure, 4-figure remains the same as it is. And the second one, B section, the B1, that is definition of contour and contour interval, identification of landforms marked by contours, steep slope, gentle slope and hill, they are remaining as it is. The valley, ridge, water divide and escarpment is removed. These are removed, so you don't have to learn it. आप लोग को ये पढ़ना नहीं है. And then we have triangulated height, spot height, benchmark, relative height and depth. ये सब included है इस syllabus के अंदर. So next portion, that is interpretation of color trees and conventional symbols used on a topographical survey of India remains the same as it is. It is having no change. There is कोई changes नहीं है, तो it will be remaining as it is. Then the next portions like जितना भी topographical map में है, it remains as it is. There are no major changes. Only the valley, ridge, water divide and escarpment has been removed. Right. So identifications and definition of maps, types of scales given on the map, measuring distances and calculating area using the scale given therein, then marking directions between different locations using 8 cardinal points. Then again we can see at the site of prominent villages, towns, types of land use, land cover and means of communications with the help of index given on the bottom of the sheet. Then identification of drainage, direction of flow and pattern, settlement patterns, identification of natural and man-made features. All these syllabus remain same as it is. So remember that if you have the textbook with you, mark it that the valley, ridge, water divide and escarpment is not there in the topographical map. Second, that is map of India. The map of India has not made major changes, but there are some rivers or some mountains have been made changes. So let's see what all things are there. So mountains, like when you speak about the mountains, peaks and plateaus, Himalayas, Karakoram, Aravalli, Vindhyas, Satpura, Western and Eastern Ghats, Nilgiris will remain same as it is. No change will be there. So here we need to note that Garo Khasi Jaintia, Mount Kanchenjunga, we don't have to learn it. They have been removed. They have been omitted, right? So next we can say plains. Plains will be remaining as it is. Plains, Gangetic Plains, coastal plains, Kanara, Malabar coast. Then again, Coromandel coast, northern circles are same as it is. Then desert is not having any changes. Rivers, yes, of course rivers, there are few rivers have been made changes. Ravi, Byas, Chenab, Gandak, Kosi. These rivers you don't have to learn it in this 2020 and 21 academic year. These rivers are not there. So which are the rivers you need to learn? Indus, Jhelum, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gomti, Chambal, Betwasan, Damodar, then Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. These are the rivers you need to learn. There are 5 rivers you don't have to learn it. That is Ravi, Byas, Chenab, Gandak and Kosi. Then again, water bodies, one you don't have to learn, that is omitted. That is Andaman Sea. Andaman Sea has been removed. So in 2020 and 21 academic year, you don't have to learn it. All others water bodies remain same, like Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait, Chilika Lake, Ular Lake. They are remaining same as it is. Passes, we have to learn only one pass, that is Karakoram Pass. Nathula Pass is not there, it has been removed. The latitudes, it will remain same as it is. Tropic of Cancer and standard meridian of India will be remaining as it is. And the direction of winds all remain same, but western disturbance has been removed. So southwest monsoons, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal branches, northeast monsoons are there in the syllabus, we have to learn, but western disturbance will it is removed, we don't have to learn it. Then I am coming to the distribution of minerals. Oil, Mumbai High offshore oil fields, Digboy, it is onshore. Then iron, Singbung, and coal is Jharia. These minerals we need to learn it, right? It is there in the syllabus. Then soil distributions. There are four types of soil. There is alluvial soil, laterite soil, black soil, and red soil. All these soils are there in the part of the 2020 and 21 syllabus. Then cities are cities remaining: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kochi, Chandigarh, Srinagar, Visakhapatnam, Allahabad. These we have to learn it. And then again, the distribution of population of India, that is densely and sparsely populated, these are remaining as it is. Now coming towards the part 2, geography of India, we have the third one, that is location, extent and physical features. There is no changes have been made in this chapter, as this chapter is only done through map, so there is not much difficult to learn. This is part of the map. Then again, when you come to fourth, that is the climate. The climate of India is not made any change, it remains as it is. So we have to learn here about the distribution of the temperature, rainfall, winds in summer and winter, the factors affecting the climate of area, monsoon and its mechanism. So seasons like March to May, summer seasons like and June to September, monsoon seasons, October to November, that is rotating monsoon, and December to February, winter season. So these are remaining as it is, no change has been made. Then next, coming towards the soils resources. Soil resources also have not made any change, it will be the same as it is. So types of soils: alluvial, black, that's types of soils like alluvial, black and red, and laterite soil. This we have to learn. Their distributions, compositions, characteristics such as color, texture, minerals, crops, and which are associated with that. Then we have to learn soil erosions, causes, prevention, and conservation of soil. So these are there. There has not been any made change. So there is no changes. Nothing has been removed from these chapters. Then again, the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation also same as it is. No change has been made. It is remaining as it is. So importance of forest, you have to learn types of vegetations: evergreen, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical desert, littoral, and mountains. So these are remaining same as it is. Distribution and correlation with their environment, we have to learn about the forest conservation also, we need to learn it from here. Then again, next comes about the water resources. Water resources has not been made any changes, same as it is remaining. So sources like surface water, groundwater, need for conservation practices like rain water harvesting and its importance. Then irrigation, like importance and methods, different types of irrigations are being there, so we need to learn those things. Then minerals and energy resources, here some changes have been made, like iron ore, manganese, copper bauxite uses and their distributions are there. From the conventional sources, the natural gas, hydel power, Pankranagal Dam and Hirakund Dam is removed. So from the conventional sources, we need to learn only coal, petroleum, and the distribution advantages and disadvantages, right? Non-conventional sources, also tidal, geothermal energy is removed, omitted. So from non-conventional sources, solar, wind, nuclear, biogas generations and advantages, we have to learn it. It is there in the and 21 academic year. Then again, agriculture. Agriculture, yes, here also some changes are made. Indian agriculture importance, problems and reforms. It will be same as it is. Types of farming in India is removed entirely. So types of farming in India, that is subsistence, commercial, shifting, intensive, extensive, plantation and mixed. All these things have been removed. We don't have to learn in 2020 and 21 academic year. Then as it will remains, then the agriculture, when you see agricultural seasons, Rabi, Kharif, Zaid, then climatic conditions, soil requirements, methods of cultivations, processing, distribution of the following crops: rice, wheat, millets, pulses, sugarcane, oil fields, groundnut, mustard and soybean, cotton, jute, tea and coffee. All these things we have to learn it. Coming to the next, manufacturing industries, agro-based industry, that is sugar, textile, cotton. We have to learn it. Here, silk we don't have to learn. Silk is removed. And then mineral-based industry, iron, steel, Tisco, Rourkela, Visakhapatnam, petrochemical and electronics. They are there. Bhilai is removed. Bhilai we don't have to learn it. Coming towards the next, that is transport. Transport, no changes have been made. That is important, some importance and modes: railways, roadways, airways, waterways, advantages and disadvantages. And again, discussing about the waste management remains the same as it is. There has not been made any changes, right? So impact of waste accumulations, spoilage of landscape, pollutions, health hazards, effect on terrestrial, aquatic, freshwater and marine life, the need for waste management, methods of safe disposal, segregations, dumping and composting remaining same as it is. Then we have need and methods for reducing, recycling and reusing the waste. So the major changes have not been made, only few changes have been made. So remember to first understand the syllabus of geography subject, then according to that you need to learn pattern wise, right? So you'll be able to understand the concept. I recommend that all the chapters questions will be coming in the board examination, so only few chapters you need to learn it to score it. For your further studies, for your further knowledge, you can learn all the chapters. We have to cover it all the chapters, but I recommend the best 7 chapters that we have to learn, that I will tell you in the class when you come, and the reopening of the classes will be there. Thank you so much. The people who have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe so that we can enlarge our community and learn together. And now only have revised the syllabus, so coming lessons, coming videos, we will be revising each chapters, each lessons. These videos will be preparation for the board examinations. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.